going to understand a Zener diode as a voltage regulator. First, we connect the circuit as per circuit diagram seen on top left of the screen. First, we connect battery to the rheostat with a series resistance and a series resistance with a millimeter. A millimeter is in series with a Zener diode and a Zener diode to the rheostat. Now, according to the circuit diagram, we have to connect one load resistance is in parallel with Zener diode and a voltmeter across the load resistance, and want to connect one more voltmeter across the rheostat, and at last we connect the key to the battery and key to the rheostat. Now our circuit connection is complete, and now we are going to insert the key. Now I am selecting one of the Zener diodes from this list. Here different Zener diodes are seen with different Zener voltage. So I select a Zener diode with Zener voltage 5.6 volt. In line regulation, we will vary the supply voltage through this rheostat, keeping this load resistance constant, and we will observe the change in voltage across the load resistance in this voltmeter. In load regulation, we will vary the load resistance from here, and we keep the supply voltage constant. Last, we observe the change in voltage across the load resistance in this voltmeter. First, we follow the procedure for line regulation. First, I keep load resistance fixed at a certain value, and now I am going to vary the supply voltage from this rheostat. Please observe these voltmeter readings. As I am increasing the supply voltage, the voltage across the load resistance is also going to increase. But see here, at a certain value of voltage across the load resistance, in spite of increasing the supply voltage, the voltage across load resistance remains constant, and that is at 5.6 volt. That is the Zener voltage for this Zener diode. So we conclude that output voltage across the load resistance remains constant as long as the input voltage is maintained above a minimum value. Now we follow the procedure for load regulation. First, I fix the value of input voltage. Let it be 9.4 volt. Now I am going to increase the load resistance. Please keep your eyes on voltmeters and ammeter. I am going to increase the value of load resistance. See, the value of voltage across the load resistance is now constant. Only current through the Zener diode is going to increase. So we conclude that the value of output voltage across the load resistance remains constant as long as we maintain the value of load resistance above a minimum value. Thank you.